Guys, I wanted to show you this prebiotic and probiotic that I received from the company. Personally, I've been taking a probiotic for a very long time, and I am a big fan of taking one for all different reasons, which you could read about. I think there's like a ton of research behind it. I like that this one is a prebiotic as well as a probiotic. This is the serving, the capsule. It's one per day, and it's pretty tasteless. It's about the size. Let's see. I want to show you like how big it is, maybe a little bit bigger than my thumbnail, so it's not that big. I like this company a lot. I definitely stand behind them. I have used them for different supplements, and I'm excited to use this one as well. It has 24 different strains in it, so you can read about the different ones. So like different strains are you're supposed to use for different reasons. This one, just generally what it tells you. It has like a digestive blend as well as a dermatological and a cardiovascular health probiotic blend, which you could also read all about the different blends and why you would want them for different reasons. And then this is also unique that it has the prebiotic, which is also just as important and is kind of hard to get in a diet sometimes. So I do also like everything that's in here. It's all organic. There's no fillers, no dairy, gluten, tree nuts, no added sugars, artificial colors, sweeteners, or preservatives. You can store it in a dry place. You do not have to put it in the refrigerator, which is also really nice. So you know when it comes, you don't have to, like if it's refrigerated, I always worry that it was stored somewhere different before it got to my house or in delivery, so that could kill off all the benefits. This one does not have to be refrigerated, so I do really like that as well. Really happy with this one.